This is literally the quickest wig install I've ever done. Okay, like, let's get into this. Bang unit, it comes with the bangs already cut. It's a 7x5, okay? Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it's already pre-cut, you guys. Pre-curled as well. The bangs are already curled. They even gave me a little hair roller with my bangs in there. Like, they got the whole thing set up for me already. So I love wigs like this where it's like minimal work for me. You know, the older I get, the less time I have to just sit and do my hair for hours and hours and hours. Like bleaching, plucking, like the whole process is cool if you have time to do that. It is a bit more time consuming than just installing a wig that's already pre-done, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-curled like this one, and all I really have to do is put it on and that's it, put it on. So this would be a really quick and easy, cute install. So y'all, I'm gonna throw this wig on my head. Don't go nowhere. BRB, stay tuned.
Alright y'all, so like I said, this was a really quick and easy install. I literally just took this wig out the box, threw it on my head, and this is what it was looking like. The bangs were a bit long, and they were definitely in my eye and my lashes. So, but before I trimmed my bangs, I did go ahead and add some wax and hot comb the top of my wig a little bit more flatter. Even though this wig pretty much came flat already, I did want mine to be a little bit more flatter, so I did hot comb it. And then, like I told y'all, these bangs were definitely in my eye, so I did go in and cut them just a little bit. I could have just pulled my wig back, but I think that the bangs were still going to be a little bit too long because they were just in my eye and I want my wig to actually be on my head. So yeah, I did trim them a little bit, then curled them up again to see where they fell. They were still very, very long, but you know what? I'm not complaining because I'd rather my bangs be too long than they get here and they're too short and there's nothing you could do about it because they're already too short. So yeah, I did just cut these based on my forehead size and how far down I wanted them in my eye. So yeah. Okay, so boom, after I trimmed them a little bit, curled them up, and moved my wig back, it was looking real good. I'm like, you know what? This is real cute. Like, and then I literally cut myself with the eyebrow razor. I don't know why I was being so rough. I think it's because it was late at night and like I really wanted to be done and get in the bed, you guys. And that's another reason why I'm so glad this install was so quick and easy like it was, because I was like ready to get in the bed. I was tired. I was like, I need to do something quick and easy. I need to film. And I love that this wig was so fast, y'all. Literally might be one of the quickest installs I've ever done. And I love wigs like this more and more. And I literally kept looking at my finger like, oh my God, am I gonna die? Because that really had hurt. Like, them razors be sharp, y'all. Like, I be using fresh eyebrow razors. Them things literally be sharp. Like, ouch. But yeah, all I'm doing here is combing out my curls. And first of all, look how good this install looks, you guys. Like, one thing about it, UNiCE on Amazon don't miss. Like, they never miss for me. I don't ever have bad experiences with UNiCE. Like, I don't know about y'all, but for me, like, the wigs always hit every different style. Like, and I be thinking going into it, I'm like, I'm not gonna like this wig. Then I put it on and it's like, they literally, every single UNiCE wig hits, you guys. And this is different for me. Y'all know I don't do bangs often. I do love the color of this wig, how dark it was. It was given like dark brown, black almost. Like, I don't know if this wig was black or dark brown, but it looked very dark to me. And I love dark hair on me. And I love the way these bangs turned out. Like, it's not usually my thing, but I've been leaning more towards bangs lately. And I love this. To the point where I'm debating if I even want to sell this wig. I low-key want to keep it because I can see myself wearing this for a look one day. Or going out somewhere, you know. I think it might be a really cute look. So yeah, get y'all a little curtain bang wig. It's super cute, 100% glueless, and there's literally no leave out for this. There's no melting any lace. Like, when I put this wig on, best believe I'm not gluing down nothing. I'm not melting nothing. It's gonna be looking a mess under the wig, and that's how it should be because there's literally no lace to blend or anything with this. Like, I love that. 10 out of 10.
This just took me like 2 minutes to do. Like, all I did was cut my bangs a little shorter out of my eye and comb out these curls. I didn't glue anything down because I mean, this is a closure glueless wig and you can't see my lace anyway, so I literally just threw this on. This by far might be the quickest and easiest install I've ever done, and that is one reason why I do love a bang unit like this, because you don't have to worry about blending any lace. You don't have to worry about what lace is showing. Like with these kind of wigs, these are fully like closed, no hair left out, no lace showing, nothing. Like, you just throw it on your head and everything's covered. So this is super cute and I love this look. Like, yeah, the bangs and the curls in this color, I love this. I just love me like a natural black, natural brown wig, and then these bangs, taking it.
And okay, so boom, y'all, this is the final looks of the hair. This install was so fast. Like, this video is so short. I tried to drag this video out longer, but like, this install was so quick and easy that this is literally how long the video is, y'all. It's not long at all, and I actually love that. I love this install. I love how quick it is. I love how I could just throw this on, don't have to worry about any lace. I love this wig.
This is literally the quickest wig install I've ever done. No glue, no plucking, no bleaching, no cutting, and this unit already came curled. Like, this was literally the quickest install ever. Like, this isn't even an install video because I didn't have to install anything.
So that is the end of this video, y'all. And I know, like I said in my last video, that I have been MIA from YouTube, but it's because I've been busy with other things that I'm working on, you guys. So y'all follow me on all my other socials, and I do promise that I will be posting more videos on here. I promise, y'all. It's just a matter of time with me. Like, time has just really literally been money lately. Like, time is just so valuable. And yeah, so y'all make sure y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. And I love y'all so much. Bye.